An opinion is a spark. A persuasive argument is a controlled fire. It's the difference between simply stating what you think and leading someone, logically, to a new conclusion. This isn't just about a school assignment. It's about forging a tool of influence. Your entire argument rests on one sentence, the thesis. It's your North Star, stating your position and why. Crucially, it must be debatable. If everyone already agrees, it's a fact, not a fight. From there, every paragraph follows a strict blueprint called TEAL. You state a topic sentence, explain the logic, provide hard evidence, and this is the part most people forget, you link it directly back to your main thesis. Without that link, your paragraph is just a random fact floating in space, disconnected from your purpose. Now for the reinforcement. Evidence isn't about piling up facts. It's about a strategic mix, the cold logic of statistics, the credibility of expert testimony, and, used sparingly, the emotional punch of a personal story. But the true mark of a sophisticated thinker is the rebuttal. You don't ignore the other side of the argument. You seek it out. You fairly acknowledge their point. Opponents often argue that, and then you dismantle it. This shows you've explored the issue from all angles, and your position is the one that survives scrutiny. Finally, the conclusion. It's not a gentle summary, it's the final blow. Restate your thesis in new words, remind the reader of your strongest points, and then deliver a clear call to action. Tell them what to think or do now. End with a powerful image that sticks in their mind. Because when you master this structure, you transform from a person with an opinion into a person with an argument, ready to persuade the world.